Hi friend, welcome to my channel. I'm going to show you how to adjust the flame on your lighter. Like, share, subscribe and enable the bell icon if you like the video. You can see the flame is low even after adjusting to maximum. Open it. Remove this part. This part controls the gas flow. Tight it low flame, loose it high flame. Tight it clockwise, low gas flow, small flame. Loose it counterclockwise, high gas flow, large flame. I'm going to loosen it a bit and center it like this to align with the hole like this. See, the flame is bigger now. Assemble it back. You can do this to any gas lighter. Remove it. Use it to tighten it or loosen it. Bit too much, I think. Assemble it back.